Hello everyone, Artisan Pirate here and welcome back to the channel. And we are once again up at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. This one more specifically is in Cary, North Carolina, and it is time for their 8th store anniversary. These are always fun and amazing events. Anytime you get a group of us woodworkers together, it is always a fun time. Smiles are to be had and memories are to be made, my friends. We are always happy to teach, inspire, educate, and elevate the next generation of woodworkers coming along. There's going to be a lot of live demos today. Of course, I'm up here doing live Scroll Saw Woodworking Demos. I'm representing with the North Carolina Woodworkers, Klingspor, Fox Chapel Publishing, and of course, Rycon. Sure to be an amazing day. The Cary location is around 1 hour from home. It is actually the closest Klingspor to me from Burlington, North Carolina, right at 55 minutes from the house. So a great day trip up here to come up and teach everyone Scroll Saw Woodworking. But I'm going to turn the camera around and show you all a glimpse of what this day is like through my eyes. I hope you all enjoy the video. And as everyone was getting prepared for the doors to open at 9 a.m., I will quickly show you guys around the Klingspor Woodworking Shop of Cary, North Carolina. Of course, this is the closest location to me from Burlington, North Carolina, and they sell all of the exotic and hardwoods, and they can cut it to size for you in the store. They also sell all of the saw blades, band saws, lathes, pyrography equipment, high-end woodworking tools for fine craftsmanship, as well as all of the various grits of Klingspor Woodworking Shop sandpaper. I was set up on a Rycon scroll saw, and this is just like the scroll saw I use at home. And I brought a selection of my projects, and I had prepped several pieces to demo with. But I will continue looking around as we await for the doors to open at 9 a.m. We were all getting everything set up and catching up with each other. Again, anytime you get a group of us together, it's always a great time. And Klingspor also sells vintage hand tools, and these are always so cool to look at. The old school woodworking tools there. And every Klingspor has a display case, and I am blessed and humbled to have one of my custom compound cut keychains featured in the Cary, North Carolina store location there, as well as several other examples of amazing craftsmanship. But now that the doors are open, you can see Michelle Parsons, a very talented woodworking pyrographer, doing demos here and teaching people how to do what she does. And I'll go around and try to catch all of the demos. I was in good company back in the workshop area while I was scrolling, and I quickly got to work making sawdust. But I was in the back corner with Stated Woods, was on hand, doing the router templates here and showing how they worked and what all could be made with them. And I was not the only scroll saw artist on hand. Other NC woodworkers were on hand doing scroll saw stuff. He was doing some inlay work, and he had also brought some examples of his work, which is some beautiful intarsia pieces here, as well as compound cut pieces. And Daryl at Dreadnought Woodworks was back here doing demos for Robert Sorby, the high-end wood turning tools. And right beside him was the Easy Wood Tools representative demoing Easy Wood Tools, lathe turning accessories and equipment. But again, I will try to walk around and get glimpses of all of the demos. Here is James doing the saw stop demo with the hot dog. He done this 3 or 4 times on this day, and this demo always brings a crowd. And he will show everything off to everyone, and periodically throughout the day there was door prizes. So you just put your name in a box, and if your name was called, you won a prize. And this happened several times during the day as well. And at lunchtime they fed us well. Klingspor always goes above and beyond. On the menu today was little burger sliders, and they were delicious, as well as soft drinks, water, and bags of chips. but we had great crowds throughout the day's event and everyone was eager to learn. Here is the Dust Stopper Pro demo. I got a very good look at this equipment back when we were up at the Hickory store location. Here is the hand plane demo, seeing some of those vintage high-end woodworking tools in action to see what they are capable of doing. And Mike Matthews was also with NC Woodworkers doing pyrography demos. He always enjoys doing these, but he is also a skilled and accomplished wood turner himself. And I will continue to make my rounds and visit the carvers here. They were in the house today. They had a nice carved pirate statue that I was fascinated with, of course. And Chris was on hand demoing the Mini X tool here. Klingspor now sells the powerful X tool lasers, so that is really cool. And Chris is an excellent teacher doing demos. And you can see some of the pieces here that I was working on. I had Steve Good designs as well as designs from books by Fox Chapel Publishing. But I would talk to anyone who come by, and I even let people sit at the scroll saw, and I reiterated what I always say in my video about taking your time and letting the blade do the work, and just proper posture and technique over at the scroll saw. But it was a fun day, all in all, and again, with it only being an hour from home, it was a great day trip for me to come out and see friends and hopefully inspire the next generation for scroll saw woodworkers. And that, my friends, is going to wrap up today in Cary, North Carolina. I hope you guys have enjoyed this retrospective video. Through my eyes, it's now time to pack up, break everything down, pack up, and head back home to Burlington, North Carolina. But again, I hope you enjoyed these retrospective videos. I always enjoy filming them for you guys. Of course, when I'm doing the live demos and then running around trying to film everything, I always miss something. I always miss a demo or something like that. So the best way to enjoy these events, if you are ever able to, is to come out and enjoy them in person for yourselves. They make a great day trip. They feed you well. There's still food out here on the table. We had burger sliders today. They were delicious. They always treat us well. Klingspor Woodworking Shop always goes above and beyond. And anytime I can come out and help promote Scroll Saw Woodworking, the NC Woodworkers, Rycon, Fox Chapel Publishing, and just woodworking in general, as well as Klingspor, I'm more than happy to do so. But I hope you all have enjoyed this retrospective video. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it or even go to it, so can you guys. Take care, my friends. I'm the Artisan Pirate, and I'll see you guys real soon.